Is the Lifebee 1.83 touchscreen smartwatch really the budget game changer it claims to be, or just another flashy gimmick? In this video, we take a closer look at this smartwatch that's been making waves online for offering high-end features at a surprisingly low price. On paper, it sounds impressive: Bluetooth calling, 100 sport modes, heart rate and sleep tracking, breathing exercises, notifications, and even an IP67 waterproof rating. It promises to be your all-in-one daily assistant with a stylish design and easy-to-navigate interface. The 5 to 10 day battery life is definitely a plus for those tired of constant recharging, and tools like weather updates, sanitary reminders, and customizable watch faces add to its appeal. However, not everything about this watch shines. The IP67 rating only protects against splashes, not full water immersion, so don't take it swimming. What's also concerning is the lack of detailed information about the accuracy of its sensors, or how well it syncs with major health or fitness apps. And with no verified user reviews or long-term usage feedback available yet, it's hard to tell how reliable or durable the device truly is. This review isn't here to hype or hate, we're just laying out the facts so you can make an informed decision. If you're still curious and want to check it out yourself, the purchase link is tagged in the video.